Hey there, science fans! Today, we're diving into the amazing world of invertebrates. Invertebrates are everywhere, from the deepest oceans to your own backyard. They come in all shapes and sizes, and they play a vital role in keeping our planet healthy. Invertebrates are a diverse bunch, but they all have one thing in common. They don't have a backbone. That's right, no spine. This might seem strange, but it allows invertebrates to be incredibly flexible and adaptable. Get ready to explore the incredible diversity of invertebrates and discover the amazing adaptations that make them such successful creatures. From the busy ants in your garden to the giant squid lurking in the ocean depths, the invertebrate world is full of surprises. Let's get started. As we've learned, the main thing that sets invertebrates apart is their lack of a backbone. This bony structure, called a vertebral column, is what gives vertebrates, like us humans, our support and shape. But don't think for a second that invertebrates are flimsy or weak. Many invertebrates have other ways to support their bodies. Some, like insects and crustaceans, have a hard outer shell called an exoskeleton. This tough exterior acts like a suit of armor, protecting their soft insides. Others, like jellyfish and worms, rely on the pressure of their internal fluids to maintain their shape. This is called a hydrostatic skeleton, and it works surprisingly well. Invertebrates might not have backbones, but they've evolved all sorts of clever ways to thrive in just about every environment on Earth. Let's meet the arthropods, the largest and most diverse group of invertebrates on the planet. These fascinating creatures can be found in nearly every habitat, from the deepest oceans to the highest mountains. This incredible group includes insects, spiders, crustaceans, and more. Each subgroup has its own unique characteristics and adaptations that make them successful in their environments. What makes arthropods so special? For starters, they have jointed legs, which give them amazing flexibility and allow them to move in all sorts of ways. This unique feature is a key reason for their evolutionary success. Think about the intricate dance of a spider spinning its web or the powerful leap of a grasshopper. These movements are not just fascinating to watch, but are also crucial for their survival. Arthropods also have a tough exoskeleton made of chitin, a material that's both strong and lightweight. This exoskeleton acts like a suit of armor, protecting them from predators and environmental hazards. This exoskeleton provides support and protection, but it also needs to be shed and regrown as the arthropod grows. This process is called molting, and it allows them to increase in size and repair any damage. From the tiniest ants to the largest lobsters, arthropods play essential roles in ecosystems worldwide. They are indispensable in maintaining ecological balance. They pollinate plants, decompose organic matter, and provide food for countless other animals. Without arthropods, many ecosystems would struggle to function properly. Get ready to meet the masters of disguise, the mollusks. These fascinating creatures have evolved some of the most incredible adaptations in the animal kingdom. This diverse group includes creatures as different as snails, clams, and octopuses. Each of these animals has unique characteristics that help them survive in their environments. Mollusks are soft-bodied invertebrates, and many of them have a hard shell for protection. These shells not only provide safety, but also serve as a home for the mollusk. Think about the sturdy shell of a clam or the spiraled home of a snail. These structures are marvels of natural engineering. These shells are made of calcium carbonate, the same material that makes up coral reefs. This substance is incredibly strong and durable, providing excellent protection. Some mollusks, like slugs and octopuses, have lost their shells entirely or have a reduced internal shell. This adaptation allows them greater flexibility and mobility. This allows them to squeeze into tight spaces and change shape easily. Their ability to adapt to their surroundings is truly remarkable. Mollusks are found in a wide range of habitats, from the depths of the ocean to freshwater lakes and even your garden. Their adaptability is one of the reasons they are so successful. They play important roles in food webs and are a source of food for humans as well. From the ocean to our plates, mollusks are an essential part of our world. Section 5. Annelids, segmented sensations. Let's slither into the world of annelids, the segmented worms. This fascinating group includes earthworms, leeches, and marine worms. Annelids are easily recognizable by their segmented bodies, which are made up of repeating units. Each segment contains its own set of organs, allowing annelids to survive even if part of their body is injured. Earthworms, the most familiar annelids, play a crucial role in soil health. As they burrow through the ground, they aerate the soil and create channels for water to penetrate. Leeches, another type of annelid, have a rather notorious reputation for their blood-sucking habits. However, leeches also have important medical uses, and their saliva contains anticoagulants that can prevent blood clots. Section 6. Cnidarians, stinging sensations. Get ready to explore the fascinating world of cnidarians, a group that includes jellyfish, corals, and sea anemones. Cnidarians are known for their stinging cells called cnidocytes, which they use to capture prey and defend themselves. These stinging cells contain tiny harpoons that inject venom into their target. Jellyfish, with their bell-shaped bodies and trailing tentacles, are perhaps the most recognizable cnidarians. They float gracefully through the water, using their stinging tentacles to catch small fish and other plankton. Corals, on the other hand, are stationary cnidarians that form colonies. These colonies can grow into massive coral reefs, providing habitats for a dazzling array of marine life. Section 7. Echinoderms, spiny and spectacular. Let's dive into the world of echinoderms, a group that includes starfish, sea urchins, and sand dollars. Echinoderms are marine animals that are known for their radial symmetry, meaning their body parts are arranged around a central point. They also have a unique water vascular system, a network of canals that helps them move, eat, and breathe. Starfish, with their 5 arms radiating from a central disc, are probably the most familiar echinoderms. They have amazing regenerative abilities and can regrow lost limbs. Sea urchins, covered in spines, are like the porcupines of the sea. They use their spines for protection and to move around. Sand dollars, with their flattened bodies, are like living coins on the ocean floor. Section 8. The little guys, Porifera, nematodes, and platyhelminthes. These tiny creatures might be small, but they play huge roles in their ecosystems. We've covered some of the major invertebrate groups, but there are many more fascinating creatures out there. Each of these groups has unique characteristics and adaptations that make them truly remarkable. Let's briefly meet 3 more groups: Porifera, nematodes, and platyhelminthes. These groups might not be as well known, but they are just as important. Porifera, or sponges, are the simplest of all animals. They lack true tissues and organs, yet they have survived for millions of years. They are filter feeders, meaning they strain tiny organisms from the water for food. This process not only feeds the sponge, but also helps clean the water. Sponges come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors, and they play an important role in marine ecosystems. They provide habitat for other marine organisms and contribute to the health of coral reefs. Nematodes, or roundworms, are incredibly abundant and diverse. They are one of the most numerous animals on Earth, with millions of species. They are found in virtually every habitat on Earth, from the soil to the ocean depths. Nematodes play crucial roles in nutrient cycling and soil health. Some nematodes are beneficial, while others are parasitic and can cause disease. Beneficial nematodes help control pests, while parasitic ones can affect plants, animals, and even humans. Platyhelminthes, or flatworms, are another diverse group of invertebrates. They have simple, flattened bodies that allow them to live in a variety of environments. They have flattened bodies and are often parasitic, living inside other animals. Parasitic flatworms can cause significant health issues for their hosts. However, some flatworms are free-living and can be found in aquatic and moist terrestrial environments. These free-living flatworms are important predators in their ecosystems. And there you have it, a whirlwind tour of the amazing world of invertebrates. These creatures, though small, have a big impact on their environments. Remember, these creatures might not have backbones, but they are essential to life on Earth, and their diversity and adaptations never cease to amaze. They are a testament to the incredible variety of life on our planet. Keep exploring, and you never know what incredible invertebrates you might discover. The more we learn about them, the more we appreciate their roles in the web of life.